Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to be amazed and inspired as we take you on a journey through time to explore the top 10 mind-blowing engineering projects in history. From ancient wonders to modern-day marvels, these projects have pushed the limits of human ingenuity and creativity and continue to captivate and awe us to this day. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to join us on this incredible adventure. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 10. The Three Gorges Dam. The Three Gorges Dam, located in China's Hubei province, is not only a massive feat of engineering, but also a stunning display of human perseverance. It is the largest hydroelectric power station in the world, with a capacity of over 22,500 megawatts. The dam is 2.3 kilometers long and 185 meters tall, and required the displacement of over 1 million people during its construction. The construction of the dam was a massive engineering undertaking, requiring innovative solutions to manage the water flow and the weight of the structure. It involved the excavation of over 102 million cubic meters of earth and rock, the pouring of 28 million cubic meters of concrete, and the installation of over 500,000 tons of steel. One interesting fact about the Three Gorges Dam is that it has a significant impact on the surrounding ecosystem. The dam has altered the natural flow of the river, leading to changes in the water quality and temperature, as well as impacting fish migration patterns. Despite these challenges, the Three Gorges Dam remains a remarkable engineering achievement, providing renewable energy to millions of people and contributing to the economic growth of China. Number 9. 3D printed steel footbridge. The world's first 3D printed footbridge has been opened in Amsterdam, built by Dutch company MX3D. The bridge will be observed by researchers at Imperial College London and equipped with intelligent sensors to collect data on how it interacts with people and the environment. The data collected will be fed into a digital twin for researchers to test its durability and longevity. If successful, 3D printing could be used more widely in infrastructure, reducing carbon emissions and helping the industry reach net zero by 2050. This technology could enable large-scale infrastructure projects to be constructed more sustainably. Number 8. James Webb Space Telescope. The Webb Space Telescope is not just another high-tech piece of machinery. It is a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. With its advanced instruments and capabilities, the telescope is set to change the way we view the cosmos. The project took decades of planning, design, and construction, and was fraught with technical difficulties and budgetary issues, but the payoff is immense. The telescope's ability to capture stunningly detailed images of distant galaxies, exoplanets, and nebulae is a game-changer in the field of space exploration. As we continue to study the universe, the Webb Space Telescope is sure to reveal even more fascinating and awe-inspiring discoveries. Number 7. Palm Jumeirah. Dubai's man-made island, covering 600 hectares and 5 kilometers in diameter, is a groundbreaking engineering project that expanded the city's coastline and created a leisure destination. Connected to the mainland by a 6-lane sub-sea tunnel and an underwater tunnel, the island's shape was precisely determined using GPS technology. After the sand was compacted, desalination plants, vacuum sewerage wastewater treatment, underground power lines, and a transport network including a monorail were installed. Today, the island boasts themed boutique hotels, villas, shoreline apartments, beaches, marinas, restaurants, cafes, and retail outlets, making it a popular tourist destination. Number 6. Antonov AN-225 Mriya. The Antonov AN-225 Mriya is an engineering marvel and holds the title for the world's longest and heaviest aircraft ever made, boasting a maximum takeoff weight of a whopping 640 tons. With 6 turbofan engines and the largest wingspan of any aircraft in operational service, the AN-225 is an impressive sight to behold. Designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the 1980s for the purpose of transporting the Russian space shuttle Buran, the AN-225 shares many similarities with its predecessor, the AN-124 Ruslan. However, the AN-225 is longer and has a 32-wheel landing gear system, making it even more robust and efficient. Incredibly, the AN-225 also holds the world record for the heaviest single-item payload ever airlifted, weighing in at an astounding 189,980 kilograms. What do you think of this massive airlifter? Can you imagine being in charge of flying it? Number 5. The Channel Tunnel. The Channel Tunnel, also known as the Chunnel, is an ingenious engineering breakthrough that has revolutionized travel between Great Britain and France. After centuries of planning and overcoming numerous obstacles, construction of the 32-mile underwater rail tunnel began in 1988 and was completed in 1994. The tunnel is made up of 3 tunnels, 2 of which carry trains while the third serves as a service tunnel. It currently serves over 7 million people annually through the Eurostar trains, and it has earned the distinction of being named one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. Number 4. Artificial Sun. Another mind-blowing project is China's Artificial Sun, officially known as the Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak East, is a fusion reactor located at the Institute of Plasma Physics at the Chinese Academy of Sciences. The reactor uses magnetic fields to contain a plasma of hydrogen isotopes and heat it to over 100 million degrees Celsius, replicating the nuclear fusion reactions that occur in the Sun. The project has made significant progress in recent years, achieving a world record 101.2 seconds of sustained nuclear fusion at 120 million degrees Celsius in 2020. This achievement brings us one step closer to the potential use of fusion power as a clean and almost limitless energy source. It's a fascinating and promising development in the field of energy engineering. Number 3. Millau Viaduct. The Millau Viaduct in southern France is a remarkable masterpiece of engineering. Its tallest tower soars to 1,125 feet, making it taller than the Eiffel Tower and almost as tall as the Empire State Building. This cable-stayed road bridge spans 8,071 feet and is the 12th highest bridge in the world. It was built in just 3 years to alleviate traffic congestion on the Paris to Barcelona route. A new technique had to be used to construct the bridge, where engineers built the towers first and then rolled the 2 sides of the roadway into the center. The Millau Viaduct is a truly modern engineering marvel. Number 2. The International Space Station. The International Space Station is a true marvel of human engineering and cooperation, representing a pinnacle of international scientific achievement. Despite the complexity of the project and the challenges of maintaining an outpost in space, the station has been a permanent home to a rotating crew of astronauts for over 2 decades. It serves as a testament to the incredible possibilities that emerge when we work together towards a common goal, and a reminder of the vast potential that lies beyond our own planet. Number 1. Museum of the Future. The Museum of the Future in Dubai is a mind-blowing engineering project that pushes the boundaries of architectural design and technological innovation. This 78-meter-tall, torus-shaped building is covered in stainless steel panels and contains a range of cutting-edge technologies, including augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and robotics. The museum features a range of interactive exhibits that explore the latest scientific breakthroughs and emerging technologies, and aims to inspire visitors to think creatively about the future. The project involved a team of over 3,500 engineers and technicians who worked tirelessly to create a building that is not only visually stunning, but also a technical marvel. And there you have it. Which one was your favorite? Do you have any other engineering marvels that you think should have made the list? Let us know in the comments below.